All right, we're in some. Where's this Course something Plaza? Course something Center.
We're in Curzon Corners and we're gonna ride this beautiful glass elevator.
It's an ESCO.
It looks like it's still original.
Yeah, go ahead and call it. I want to watch it coming down.
I know Bruce has gone here before.
Yeah, he has. I want to watch it come down. Yep, there it is. All right, let's get on.
This is a very vintage. This is her from the 1980s.
Definitely 80s. And check this out. If it'll close. It's got the old bumper. I'm sorry.
We're gonna go to one and get on that too.
Okay. That motor sounded exactly like any other ESCO elevators. Dang.
I'm getting off at 2 and then you can stay on if you'd like.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
I'm gonna get
Here's your phone. Let's go on one. Beautiful. All right, up to 2. I absolutely love the motor on this elevator. I might go for one more ride and let you hear the motor going up. This is just like the one at Colonia at Spring Creek. Very bell happy. All right, we're gonna close up the door and I'll let you quietly listen to the motor. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Absolutely wonderful. All right, let's go back down to one to end there. I think I already got good enough rides. I'm gonna send it up to 2 and we're gonna watch it go back upstairs. I'm gonna ring that bell one more time. See if it'll ring. Wait for it. All right, we're gonna watch it go up. That was one cool elevator, especially being glass out in an outdoor building like this. Well, with that being said, that'll be it.